am your friend Mehar Singh and you are watching my YouTube channel Study Buddy by Mehar Singh. So guys, as you have seen in the title box that this is gonna be my first unboxing and I'm really excited about it. So the first question that is gonna arise in your mind is that about what thing am I going to unbox today. So guys, I would like to tell you that this is Byjus premium tab. And this is special because I've got 60% scholarship on its normal base price. Its base price was around 50,000 something, 50Ks, but I got it in just 20,000 because of 60% scholarship. I will tell you the procedure of getting 60% scholarship and later on videos, but up to now in this video we are going to talk about that unboxing or that Byjus premium tab. So guys, I would like to tell you that the tab, you can also have this Byjus bag. This is a nice bag. I want to like to say this. It hasn't got much space, but still I want to like to say that it is nice and it's not a must use. Okay. So now let's come to the topic, and that is how this tab. So guys, I would like to tell you that this tab is specially prepared for Byjus by Lenovo company, which is very confidential company on which you can trust. Okay, it's not gonna break very easily. It has got dual speakers in front and it has got a long battery. As you can see, when it is its battery is getting low, its front will start blinking red. As you can see, currently its battery is about 4 let me see, its current battery is 6%, and I also want to like to tell you that by touching it 2 times you can also unlock this. As you can see, yes, it has opened. So guys, now let's come to the topic and let's just talk about its merits and its demerits. So guys, its first demerit of this tab is that you cannot insert a single SIM inside it. That means that you cannot make a call, you can't text a message to anyone and these all things. But if you can download WhatsApp, you can do anything. Okay, so you can operate the WhatsApp number of anyone else, and that is what its demerit is. And if you want to get access to net, then you cannot get it by any way except Wi-Fi, or we can say it as WLAN, WLAN. Okay, so that is the only way from which you can get internet. As you can see, WLAN option is over here, and right over here there are two Redmi and Dell PC 34130. Okay, so this was the main demerit. I have told you most of its merits, such as dual speaker, it is powered by Dolby Atmos, it has got warranty of 1 year from Lenovo, that it's not gonna break if you aren't gonna try to break it. Okay, so this was all. Now let's come to the topic and stick to the Byjus premium app. Okay, so it is the main thing over here, Byjus premium app. Okay, let it get open. It's taking a bit of time, and as you can see, its interface, and there are 2 subjects, mathematics and science. Science is divided into 3 branches: chemistry, physics and bio. So guys, this is the main thing inside it. You get many things else than this, such as competitive exams, etc. So you can prepare in this about the competitive exams, you can prepare about NTSTSC such as IMO, Olympiad, such things. You also get interface over here, you can see Quizzo, recommendations, etc. And to analyze your learning, you have learning analysis. Guys, over here you can also see your overall performance of tests that you have given in this app, such as I've got 94% in overall, 100% in chemistry, 95% in bio, about 93% in mathematics and 93% in physics. So this is 94% and they have given me outstanding. You're performing extremely well. So guys, over here you can see your skills trained such as memory, conceptualness, application, analysis, and I've gotten very nice over here. You can question me that why I've got 0% in analysis. That is because I haven't got analysis questions. That is why this has happened. Otherwise, if I would have got those, and I would like to make you sure that I am very nice in such things. Okay. So over here you can also see your progress, and that is how much time have you spent. As you can see my graph, I've spent about 2,247 minutes over here, which is nice. There are about 143 concepts and I have 72 out of them, and nothing much is left over here. I hope so that you got it nicely. This was my first unboxing. It was in English. Maybe you didn't get what I meant or something else, but I hope so that you liked it. Like the video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget